Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Hey guys, it's me Shivangi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm not at all ready for today's video.
What?
So basically what really happens is that I upload a video on YouTube and I wait for you guys to react on it, but today the table is upside down. Today I'll be the one to be reading and reacting your deepest darkest secret of your life that I asked you all on my Instagram.
So,
Also, don't worry, I'll keep your name secret because I love my subscribers a lot. But you should probably subscribe to my channel or else your life is in danger. Okay, so I asked you guys on my Instagram, so I got a bunch of these and I already read some of these, and that was the reason I said that I'm not at all ready for this video because these the darkest secrets are really insane and kind of traumatizing too. So let's get started. When I was 14, I wrote a letter to my crush and she found it. First of all, I wanna know what happened next. Like, did she scream at you or she was like, I wanna... But I feel good for you, like, even though it was revealed, but at the same time your feelings were revealed in front of her. Also, this is giving me kind of Lara Jean vibe from To All the Boys I've Loved Before. I talk to cockroaches when I'm inside my bathroom. Please don't say my name, Didi. Wait, what? Do you really do that? Like, I have seen Bruno Mars talking to the moon, but this is kind of gross. But at the same time, it's your life. If it's like making you feel happy and if it is balancing your loneliness and anxieties, go for it.
Never bothered me anyway.
When I was 12, I used to visit a dentist because he was handsome. Please send me your teeth picture. I want to see that how shiny they are. This is my Instagram handle. Please just do send me. I want to see them. A guy used to has a crush on me and now I have a crush on him, but he has a girlfriend now. Girl, I just want to say that move on. If he's happy, let him be happy. And उसका time आ गया है, तुम्हारा time चला गया है. कभी farmer के बेटे को नहीं reject करने का. Me and my best friend went in a temple and it was empty, so we stole money.
Yeah, boy.
We were 7-year-old. First of all, how can someone be so smart? And at the same time addressing the fact that you guys were 7-year-old. Still, it's a wrong thing. मंदिर से पैसे कौन चुराता है यार? I have a crush on my cousin.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है, बहुत तेज.
I mean, one universe, 8 planets, 204 countries, blah blah blah, 7 billion people, and you felt for your cousin?
seriously, what the are you doing?
Interesting. I pooped in my room.
Wow.
Because I was too afraid to go to the washroom and blamed my dog the next morning. You guys are literally living life on the edge. I literally feel bad for the dog. Dogs and cats are literally so cute and you are doing this with your dog, and why are you blaming your dog? Poor dog. I have seen my rabbits making out. Sir or ma'am, whoever you are, please give them privacy. They deserve it. It's their right. And also there are so many pet stories. This is making me want a pet. If you like, any one of you has a cute dog or a cute cat, just DM me. I kissed my younger cousin, not again cousins,
Stop it. Get some help.
because I wanted to practice it before kissing my girlfriend. Wait, what? The fact that you already had a girlfriend is really pissing me off, and it get worse when you said that I was practicing it with my cousin. Why you did that? You are such an asshole.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
I'm sorry, but I'm literally judging you at this point of your life. This is so gross. Once I was playing with matchstick and the fire got to my hair and my hair burned, but just a bit so. Same thing happened with me during winters 2019. This part of the hair, I remember, got burned, but luckily it didn't burn a lot.
Nice.
So I just chopped it off, you know. I kissed my classmate, boy, in school stairs. I'm just liking how she wrote boy in the bracket. And wasn't your juniors or seniors or teacher like in the campus? This is literally giving me K-drama vibe, but at the same time, just imagine what if your principal was on the round. I burned my childhood photo album because I wasn't that cute. मुझे तुम्हारा तो नहीं पता यार, but मैं बहुत cute थी, you know.
My handsome face.
Burning your childhood photo is like burning your memories. Why would someone do that? You might regret it in future. तुम अपने बच्चों को क्या दिखाओगे यार? ये तो तुम्हारे पापा थे यार, मम्मी थी क्या? I cut my bangs and told everyone that I'm in depression because it didn't turn out good.
What?
To be honest, this literally happened with me. Not the depression thing, but it got worse because I remember I went to a parlor and I showed the parlor wali auntie a picture of Dakota Johnson and said that I want a bang like her. She did a very bad job and I was not even close. Oh, shut up! I was not even close to that Dakota Johnson picture and I looked like mushroom. I was in a train washroom and was pooping and suddenly my leg slipped inside the hole. I wanna know what happened next. Actually, you know what? I just don't wanna know. I think this is the worst secret this far. But even imagining it in my head is so traumatizing. Like, ew. I made horror stories about my school washroom to scare my classmates. And they all believe that. I think ये हर school में होता है. There is always one child who always tries to, you know, frighten us and says that toilet में तो भूत रहता है. And this really happened with me too. I remember coming at home crying because I was so frightened about the fact that someone told me that there is some ghost inside that toilet, and I took it way more seriously, you know. My sister has a boyfriend, but I like him a lot. Interesting. But he's 7 years older than me. Worst thing ever happened. Also, why am I getting so many Lara Jean vibe?
And Josh, but he's my sister's boyfriend.
This might be happening because you and your sister might be having same or close choices, but still just don't do it. Stop liking him, or just, you know, this is not a good thing. This is so stupid and at the same time very mean. So
Stop it.
I wanted to run away from my house a year ago. Even I planned it. Thanks to God that you didn't run, because even thinking of stuff like that is very stupid. Instead of that, try to talk to a friend, try to talk to a family member, or just, you know, just take your time, or just DM me on my Instagram. I'm always there to support my supporters, you know.
사랑해.
Once made at home. This is illegal, sir. You can go to college. नहीं. What? You can go to jail. मेरे दिमाग में college ही क्यों आता है? I'm so desperate to go to the college. My boyfriend is a vampire. Are you saying this in a slangy way कि भाई मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा खून चूस लेता है, और like are you telling that I am dating Robert Pattinson, you know?
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
I'm married with Jungkook. Same girl I'm married with Jin, you know?
You know?
I farted. Wow. I farted in my online classes and the mic was on. It was loud. They pretended that they didn't hear it though. Oh, this is so embarrassing and traumatizing at the same time. But it's a normal thing. So okay, alright. But guys, please do take care of your mic while taking online classes. I have a huge crush on my boyfriend's younger brother. I wanna end me.
I love my life.
I ran away from my hostel at 11 PM for night out.
Oh yeah.
Girl, please don't do it. Like, if you are in India, just don't do it. Actually, you know what? If you're on the planet Earth, just don't do it. You're not allowed to do that. It's not safe. I'm struggling with depression and my family has no idea about it at all. You know what? I'm not a psychiatrist or something that I'm gonna say that, girl, do this, do that, but talk to a family member. And if not, like, it's okay. Not everyone is blessed with a good family. Talk to a good friend. But that's another fact, that not everyone is blessed with a good friend.
You know?
You know what? You can talk to me. Just DM me on my Instagram. I am always there for my supporters.
사랑해 강태 씨.
And I love you. And you are loved, and
사랑해.
you're precious. Aww. I stole my mother's money to buy BTS merch. Wait, what? What? Why would someone do that? Stop stealing someone else's money to fulfill your obsession or your dreams. I don't have any of BTS merch, but
realizes that she doesn't has any BTS merch. Poor Shivangi. Subscribe to her channel and make her happy.
But please don't do it ever again in your life. It's not a good thing. Girl, work for it, do for it, and pay for it. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it, but at the same time it was so traumatizing, and I don't know that how editing Shivangi would deal with this, but it was a fun video. Hopping on trend is not a bad thing. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give this video a bright blue thumbs up.
Do it, or else she will scare you in your dreams.
Make sure to comment down below if your secret was featured. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.
Do it, it's never too late, guys.
Comment down below any secret you want to share in the comment section. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, high tide, good vibes. Bye guys. This was so traumatizing. Subscribe. I'm struggling with depression and my family has no idea about it.
Are you okay, Shivangi?